Hi friends, we're going to draw some animals using only our hands. Let's go into the treehouse.
Come on and play. Come on and sing. Come on and learn. Popz Treehouse.
Each one of your hands has 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know what 5 plus 5 equals when you put them together? That's right, 10. Our hands can be used to count. Our hands can be used to wave. Hi there. Our hands can be even used to talk using sign language. Have you ever traced the outline of your hand before using a marker? You might have done this in school. Let me show you today how to do a fun drawing exercise using only your hand and tracing it. With tracing the outline of your hand, you can create so many cool and amazing animals. Follow along at home. Try and guess which animal this one is. Any guesses? I'll give you a hint. If you guessed an elephant, you're right. Let's add some color. Let's do another animal. Try and guess which this one is. Call out what animal you think it is. If you guessed a bunny, you're right. Let's add a splash of color. One more drawing. Let's make this one tricky. Any guesses? If you guessed a giraffe, you're right. Let's add some more color. Who knew our hands could do so many things, even drawing animals? Let's use our hands one more time to wave goodbye. See you later, Gators.